In this video, we are looking at substitution with negative numbers. Now, a few things that we need to remember when it comes to negative numbers is that if we have two subtractions next to each other, that would give us an addition. If we had a positive and a negative next to each other, that would give us a subtraction. That works in the same way when we are multiplying and dividing by these values. If we have A is minus 2, work out minus 5 minus A. We need to be very careful and write it down exactly what we've got. So that means we have minus 5 and we were looking to subtract whatever A is. In this case, A is minus 2. We have two subtractions next to each other. If we have two subtractions next to each other, we said we needed to add those values. That means that those two negatives become a positive. I now have a calculation of minus 5 that I'm looking to add 2. You can think of this as owing somebody money when you're in a negative value here. If you owe somebody £5 and pay them £2 back, you would still owe them £3. Press pause while you try the your turn question. If B is minus 3, work out 4 minus B. B is being replaced with minus 3. That means we have 4, we are looking to subtract, and in this case we look to subtract minus 3. We again have the two minuses next to each other, which means we have a plus. That gives us 4 add 3 is equal to 7. My turn. If C is minus 3, work out minus 5C. Firstly, we need to know that we have minus 5 multiplied by C. Remember, the multiplication sign is there, it's just not seen. We are substituting minus 3 for the value of C. We now have minus 5 multiplied by minus 3. When you work with multiplication and division, I would always look at the signs first, then look at the numbers. This means you have a minus multiplied by a minus, which gives you a positive value. Now you don't need to write that plus sign down, you can just leave it as the number as it is. 5 times 3 gives you 15, so your final answer is 15. Press pause while you try the your turn question. If D is minus 5, work out minus 4D. We know that minus 4D means minus 4 multiplied by D. We are substituting the value for D as being minus 5. That means we have minus 4 multiplied by minus 5. A minus times a minus gives us a positive. 4 times 5 gives us 20. Our final answer is therefore 20.